All right, we're going to go ahead and get started. This is the weekly weather briefing for Thursday, November 8th, 2018. Again, my name's Kent McMullen, and let's go ahead and get started. The highlights for this up and coming week. Quite an unsettled pattern going at least through the next 7 days. We are expecting more rain, not only today and tomorrow, but also going into early next week. As far as today, there is a marginal risk of severe thunderstorms through Friday. That includes both this afternoon and Friday, mainly across central Georgia. Temperatures are going to be transitioning to below normal into next week, and freezes are possible this weekend, and another widespread freeze possible by midweek next week. So let's get into some of the details. Currently, the radar is showing scattered showers and thunderstorms, isolated thunderstorms, and mostly showers across north and central Georgia, going all the way back into Mississippi. This is going to continue into tonight, actually become a little more widespread tonight and Friday. There is a reason for that. We do have a cold front that is approaching north and central Georgia. By Friday morning, that front will be just coming in on Dade County, and that will sweep across the state during the day on Friday. What we can expect, like I said before, scattered to widespread showers and thunderstorms through Friday. A few storms across central Georgia could be severe. SPC has put a good chunk of central Georgia and even parts of South Georgia in a marginal risk. You can see those areas for this afternoon will be generally south of Columbus and Macon, and again on Friday, even covering little parts going over toward Louisville in Jefferson County. By the time that front passes through, everything is going to start to clear out, but before it does, rainfall amounts will amount generally a ½ inch to an inch across much of the area. At this time, flooding is not anticipated through Friday. Now, as we get into the weekend, high pressure is building in. We will have some gusty winds coming in Friday night and Saturday, maybe some gusts to around 20-25 miles an hour as that colder air comes through. We're looking at highs on Saturday and Sunday in the 40s and low 50s across North Georgia, and 50s and 60s across Central and South Georgia. The good thing is it's going to be dry, but this is also going to be some of the coldest air of the season. We're looking for low temperatures Saturday and Sunday morning in the 20s across extreme North Georgia, into the low to mid 30s across Atlanta, Athens. Could even see some freezing temperatures around Atlanta. Also, as we go into central Georgia, low temperatures dropping into the mid and upper 30s. It is possible we could be seeing some freeze watches and warnings going into effect as we approach this weekend. So be mindful of that. Now then, as we approach early next week, we got another cold front. This is going to be a little stronger coming in, crossing the state on Tuesday. Now, what we're going to see is rain start to increase over the state on Sunday night and continue into Tuesday. Some of the rainfall could be heavy at times. However, at this time, severe weather is not anticipated with this front. But please just keep abreast of the forecast, because as you know, especially this time of year, things can change. As far as rainfall from Sunday night through Tuesday, we're looking generally 1 to 2 inches across north and central Georgia. This could produce some isolated minor river flooding, but right now we're not expecting any kind of widespread flooding at this time. So generally 1 to 2 inches of rain. Again, keep abreast of that because that also could change. For temperatures going into Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, we're looking at high temperatures only in the 40s across North Georgia, approaching 50 degrees as you get to LaGrange, Atlanta, Athens. As you get into central Georgia, high temperatures still only in the mid-50s. And remember, this is going to be with some rain, so it's just going to feel just kind of raw on Monday and Tuesday. Now, that front does pass through the area Tuesday afternoon. Strong high pressure builds in on Tuesday night, and we are looking at some of the coldest air of the season coming in Tuesday night, Wednesday morning, with a good chunk of North Georgia seeing low temperatures in the 20s, and even some freezing temperatures getting down close to Macon and Columbus. So summarizing it all, an unsettled pattern through early next week. There is the potential some isolated severe storms to this afternoon and Friday, mainly ahead of the first cold front coming through on Friday. At this time, the coldest air of the season so far will happen this weekend, but by midweek, we'll see even some colder air coming through Tuesday night. Don't be surprised if you see some freeze watches and warnings start to get posted for this weekend and possibly even midweek next week. As far as rainfall, additional rainfall will be coming in beginning Sunday night, continuing Monday through Tuesday ahead of the next cold front. This rainfall could be a little heavier, and it could produce some isolated minor river flooding, but widespread flooding is not anticipated. That is all I have for everybody. I will be getting this posted up to our webpage